Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer files to your TV. First, you'll need to install a dedicated file transfer application on both your television and your mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet. It's super important that both devices are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Once the apps are installed, simply open them on both your TV and your mobile device to begin the process. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now that your devices are connected, it's time to select what you want to send. On your mobile device, tap the Send button within the File Transfer app. This will open your device's file browser. Navigate through your folders to find the photos, videos, or documents you wish to move. You can typically select one file or even multiple files at once, making it easy to transfer several items in a single go. It's quite straightforward. With your files selected, the next step is to initiate the transfer. The app on your mobile device will display a list of available receiving devices. Simply tap on your television's name from this list. Sometimes, your TV might show a confirmation prompt. Just accept it to proceed. You'll then see a progress bar on both your phone and TV, showing you exactly how much of the file has been transferred. Transfers are usually very quick. Congratulations! Your files have been successfully transferred. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, the transfer is complete. The files are typically saved in a specific folder on your television, often named Downloads or Received Files within the transfer application itself. You can easily access them using your TV's built-in file manager or directly through the transfer app. Now you can enjoy your content on the big screen, whether it's cherished photos or important documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.